Hello, welcome to the Santa Claus workshop. Today we're gonna make a bird feeder. Okay, everything you need is wood, bottle, and thread, and some bird food. Okay, you make some holes in the bottle. You make a hole in the wood, right there. And so, take the thread, in here. Just wait a little bit. Right, so take off the top. Here is some hole. Take the thread right through it. Can be some problems here. Oh man. So you got it. You can take the bottom down, like that. So you cut the thread here, right there. Make a knot. Be sure you make it big enough. So you take the bottle down there. Take the thread through the top. Oops. Be sure you make a big enough hole. Like that. So it's gonna hang like that. So you open it up. Take all the food. That. So we take on top. So you have been made something like that. Okay? Good luck.